Hello, my friends. It's Miss Dana here to teach you another word. So lately, Scoot has been into magic and showing me all kinds of magic tricks. And after one really good magic trick where he made a card disappear, I said, Scoot, you totally hoodwinked me. And he said, I hoodwinked you? You mean I put a hood on? And I said, Scoot, no, that's not what hoodwink means, silly raccoon. So today we are going to find out what hoodwink actually means. As you have probably figured out, hoodwink has nothing to do with hoods. It also has nothing to do with winks. Hoodwink is a verb that means to deceive or trick someone. So it means to fool somebody. A magician hoodwinks us by fooling us with neat tricks. The big bad wolf hoodwinked Little Red Riding Hood when he dressed up as her grandma. He fooled her, he deceived her, he tricked her. Scammers and bad people also try to hoodwink us by stealing our money, by tricking us into giving them information like special numbers for our bank accounts. This poor lady here has been hoodwinked. Someone has tricked her, deceived her, fooled her. Those are all synonyms, words that mean close to the same thing as hoodwink. Antonyms of hoodwink are words like enlighten, inform, clarify. For instance, if a magician reveals how they perform a trick, they are enlightening the audience. They are informing, clarifying the procedure behind the trick. That is the opposite of hoodwinking or fooling the audience. Do you want to hear a story about a time that Scoot hoodwinked me? Well, one time we were at the store and we were looking at toys, and he called out, Hey, Miss Dana, I see a cute little teddy bear I'd like to buy. Can I buy it? And I said, Sure, Scoot. But then guess what? It was not a little teddy bear, it was a giant teddy bear. Scoot had hoodwinked me into buying a ridiculous giant teddy bear. It's not just raccoons who try to hoodwink people. It's also criminals and bad people. They try to hoodwink detectives and police officers by lying. This detective, this cute little dog detective, he refuses to be hoodwinked by the suspect's lies. Now, even though I said at the very beginning that hoodwink has nothing to do with hoods or winks, has a little bit to do with both of them. We have the idiom pulling the wool over someone's eyes. Wool as in like a hood made out of wool. Okay, also the idea of winking. If you wink with both eyes, you are closing your eyes, you are blinded, you can't see. So that means somebody is fooling you and you can't see what they're doing. So hoodwink actually does have a little bit to do with hood and wink. Now, Scoot is going to hoodwink us one final time by performing a magic trick. In fact, it's a vanishing magic trick. Okay, on the count of three, Scoot is going to make us vanish. He's going to hoodwink you. Ready? 3, 2, 1.